Hello friends, welcome to Technical World. Today in this video, we will discuss if we can't connect to iTunes or App Store, how to fix. Before start, please subscribe and also press bell icon for latest video notification. Let's go to the video. First of all, we have to go to setting, then go to mobile data, check mobile data option, check voice, it must be on LTE, not on 3G, not on 2G, you have to select LTE 4G. After that, scroll down and check App Store is enable or disable. If it's disabled, then you have to be enable it. That's it. With this easy and simple two-step, you can get rid from this problem. If the problem is still exist, then you have to check our other video. The link is in description. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.